Hey, let me show you the best features of the JBL Vibe Beam. And first of all, we will start definitely from ambient sound control. So as you can see right here, we've got the ambient aware and talk through. So it means that you can actually simply turn it on. And if you don't know what it does, basically the ambient aware allows you to actually hear surroundings, and talk through allows you to actually have clear conversation. So this is actually in your earbuds, but you can still hear someone else if you enable this function. Next, we've got the sound equalizer with 4 default presets. There we go. If you want, you can also create your own and even give the custom name by tapping right here. And you can create multiple presets. Next, we got some kind of the gestures. We can find them for the left and the right earbud. They are actually the same, but for the left, we can, for example, set the playback control. On the right, we can set, for example, the media control, the volume control. And we've got single tap with the volume up, double tap with the volume down, tap and hold with activating the native voice assistant. Some kind of the call controls like double tap to answer incoming call or hang up ongoing call, and tap and hold to reject incoming call or mute and unmute the microphone during a call. And that's how it looks for the volume control. On the playback control, we can play and pause, turn next track, turn previous track, and for the calls is actually the same. Next, we can find function with voice aware. So this function allows us to hear our own voice during the phone calls. Right here we can find smart audio and video, and in my opinion this is actually two of the best features of these earbuds. So with the video mode, it actually reduces the latency, so it's useful to turn it on when you are watching some videos on YouTube, Netflix, or for example playing games. And audio mode gives you the best audio quality on these earbuds. And this is it for this video, the quick overview of the best features for JBL Vibe Beam. Right now, please subscribe.